Hi folks, and welcome to this video presentation of this Heritage Glen. It's a 273 RL. It's got the big slide outs, it's got a lot of space inside, and I'll be able to show you all those features and everything in just a minute. I love this roomy interior. It's got a large entertainment center, big TV, fireplace down below. I love the fact that you can sit there and recline and in those comfortable love seat there, and also the couch in the back that makes into a nice big bed as well. You've got in this living area lots of storage and cupboards and counter space. With this island is real nice as well too. Your microwave and of course large refrigerator makes it real nice. I love this interior with this gray tones to it, make it really nice and current in colors. You also have, when you go in towards the bathroom there, a nice big walk-in full shower. I love that. And also in the bedroom area, a nice walk-around queen bed with an added little closet space in that corner in that bedroom as well too. And that nice big window space at the head of the bed there, giving you some extra light. And that's real nice too in these days too. So thank you for doing this video presentation for me today on this Heritage Glen. If you have any more questions, my name is Tom Peterson. You'll see a number at the end of the video. Give me a call if you have any questions. Have a great day. Thank you.